Hi, I'm showing you an update on the skin line. I've had so many questions. Thankfully, we're having a really good response. And so in order to sort of give you an update, I'm answering a lot of questions as I do this. So there are 3 key products to the skin line. I developed the skin line primarily because I did not want to wear makeup anymore. And how was I gonna do that? First of all, eat healthy. Try to do your best with that. Second, keep your skin clean, moisturized. And what's the thing we need to sort of even out the color of our skin? We need to have some color tone. Here's the process. Here's Smooth. Smooth is the exfoliant. And it definitely is just the best, most fantastic thing you can use to exfoliate your skin. So this is just an idea of how it's done. First of all, it smells amazing. The scent is camphor, eucalyptus, a lot of it, lavender, gardenia, patchouli, patchouli, patchouli. And so as you can see, there's a little fine grain. The base of this is charcoal and aloe. And in the charcoal and aloe, I have finely ground olive pits. Super, super fine. And what happens, it's finer than anything that you can find right now. So what happens is the combination of the 3 of them, when they're massaged into your skin, change from the black charcoal and sort of go into the light aloe color. At this point of massaging it on dry skin, your skin must be dry. When you massage it on dry skin, you get just enough friction, and you also get the product to develop. And so it's working really well. And this is when, you see what it looks like? This is when it starts getting crumbly, that you rinse it off. So I'm gonna rinse it off. So after you rinse it off, you'll feel your skin is absolutely amazing. It's smooth, it'll feel wonderful. And a good thing to do is to test all of this on your skin so you get an idea of how it works. So that's number 1. Number 2, this is the color. This is a moisturizing tint, but it doesn't sit on top of your skin. It develops in your skin just the way a tanner does. So what you do is you take that much, and I will show you how I do it on myself. So it's so easy to use. See, I just take a little bit and I blend it until it totally absorbs in my skin. And you don't need a lot for your face, and you do your entire body if you like. And so you can apply it just like this. And of course you avoid under your eyes because you don't want to have dark under your eyes unless you do. And so I do that. And it's totally blended into my face and my neck. And then I take the remainder and I do this so that the top of my hands match my face. So this you must apply on dry skin. You massage it into dry skin. Never put moisturizer in first. Always apply it on dry skin. It's a moisturizing color, so you won't feel like it's too dry. However, once it goes into your skin, it starts developing. And the development process, good, I can see you again. The development process is, different for everyone, different. Your skin will sort of even out its color, and it will be sort of like a sun-kissed version of your skin color. So it can go from the lightest shade to the darkest shade skin. And with light skin, if you're really, really, really pale, I would just start with this first, like that, and see what happens. Make sure you blend it really well. And then if you feel you can do a little more, you can. And then the same with my color skin. I can do this twice in a day if I want to, depending on what time of the year it is. I don't sit in the sun, so it's great for me to use. And even when I'm going out at night and I'm feeling a little funky and tired from the day, I put it on before I go out. So as the dinner goes on, well, first of all, let me say pre-COVID, as the pre-COVID dinner goes on, I would start looking better actually than I did when I left the house. So I really love it a lot. And this is what I really worked very hard on so that I would be able to go without makeup. I have in the smooth, as you know, it's aloe, charcoal, finely ground olive pits. In the glow, I have things like fermented sugar beet, caramel, colorings that are sort of natural to the skin and will kind of interact with your skin in a really beautiful way. And it's very hard to combine a moisturizer and a color. And so I worked really hard at it. I've worked really hard for over 50 years to try to develop designs that people told me were impossible to do. And so I worked hard at doing that with this too. And then soft. Soft is sort of the everybody loves this, everybody must have it. It's the everybody, man, woman, child kind of product. We've had it tested, and all of these are really intensely tested, but we had it tested and approved for 3-year-olds on up. So it really is a beautiful moisturizer. And the concept of the moisturizer is very old-fashioned, and it was developed in the olive orchards in the olive belt, and I really love everything about it. Especially it is olive oil based, and it does really do more than just moisturize. But because I am not calling this medicinal, I can only make claims for the moisturizing part of it. But I promise you, you will see extraordinary benefits. Number 1, face, body. Number 2, you really get your money's worth. You really, really get your money's worth. See that? That much is your face. That's all you need for your face. So your face and body, don't use a lot, but you can use it as often as you like. So here, just so you can see, I'm blending it into my skin. And if you do the exfoliant, smooth and soft, your skin will be so amazing. We're washing our hands so often during COVID, and hopefully after. I think we'll all be sort of in the mindset to do that. Clearly, you need to be putting moisturizer on. Clearly, you should have this right at your hand. Your hands, your cuticles, it's like between the smooth and the soft, it's like a mini manicure. The other thing I do is I take my makeup off with it. Now I don't wear face makeup, but sometimes I'll put brow blush, brow mascara on, or mascara. And when I take it off, I put soft all over my face and a damp washcloth, and I wipe it off very easily. The other thing I recommend soft for is before you put your socks on, and I tend to be wearing a lot of socks these days because I'm either walking around the house in socks or I'm putting on sneakers, and so I've been putting soft on my feet before I put the socks on, and it really makes a difference. You obviously might want to recommend it to the man in your life because trust me, this is a good thing. Overall, the 3 products are really simple to use. There's one thing you all have to remember: please apply it on dry skin. Directly, you massage each of them into your skin. They are the answer to going bare and don't care. I'm happy to say I haven't worn makeup since I was 50, and the freedom of knowing that I can go swimming, I can sweat, I can work out, I can do anything and not feel that my skin is not covered or my skin color is gonna show. I'm happy with the way I look. The more I moisturize my skin after putting on Glow, like in an hour or 2 if I want to, or tonight before I go to bed, it just even builds it even more and gives it a shine and a glow that's amazing. So as you can see, my skin tone looks nice and even and smooth and not artificial. It just looks a healthier version of what my skin is. And all 3 together are in this great little kit. And if you want to be kind to someone, you can give them a hand massage, a face massage, a foot massage, and it's showing a little kindness. And if you really want to help somebody out who's not feeling great because they either lost their job or they're stuck home and they're feeling like the world is passing them by, do something. Touch is really good, especially since we're not touching each other. People around us maybe need a little hand holding, and we need to do that for each other. So I wish you all the joy with a bare face. It's one of the best things I've ever done, and I did it for me, and I'm so happy to share it for all of you. Enjoy.